Alrighty, let's get this started. Um, what's going on in the market here? Down 0.58% on the NQ for the session. The VWAP up at 30,431. What else do we have going on in the market here? White House expands industrial equipment category under 15% tariff to include mobile machinery like bulldozers and forklifts. Nice. Well, not much going on right now in the market. Well, actually, no. What am I saying? We had a pretty decent push down here. 333-point drop. You think it'd push up a bit now? Pushed almost 50 points from this local low over here. Look at the 9-day and 50-day cross going on. Time for some reps. All right. All right. Looks like we want to push down again here. Made a little move up. Let's take a look at this, at the books here. At the order book. I kind of want to short here, honestly. Thought we get a little bit more of a push up, though. Let's throw one out. Oh. Let's throw it short out here. See how it goes. Hey, Diego. My brother. My brother from a California mother. I'm okay. Going through some rough times, you know. No XFA account. Blew like 2-3 combines last week. And I got a single one I'm working on. Still gotta make like 5,700 on it to pass. How are you doing, Diego? Hoping you're doing better than me. You're doing a little better? Nice. Got any live accounts or? Oh, nice. Close to 2 payouts. Sweet, bro. Let's get it. Like 1K on both. Yeah, that'd be a sweet payout. Take out 2K. Heck yeah. I just sold my car today. Rough times, bro. Sold my car. You're trading with fear lately? Well, how come? Oh, look at that push down. We just got a huge wick. Just bounced right off of it. Great. No, bro. I had a Corvette. Sold the vet. I had to sell the vet, bro. I don't care though. I was over it. It was getting kind of boring anyways. Wasn't practical. Not a practical car, right? Oh, I forgot to take a last picture with it too though. That was a C8. It was a C8, brother. The C8, bud. Had it for a year. Whatever. Rocked it. Barely drove it. Drove it like 10,000 kilometers. I didn't lose too much on it, so that's alright. I think with like the taxes I paid and everything, probably 15 grand to like 12, 10 to 15 grand I lost on it. So I essentially paid like, well, I had it for more than a year, I guess. Paid like 700-800 a month for it. And then just sold it. Diego, a better one will be next. Nah, bro, I'm getting a minivan, baby. I'm looking at minivans. I'm gonna get a sweet, sweet minivan. Maybe this Ford Freestar. That'd be sick. Or this Pontiac Montana. No, I'm just kidding. That'd be brutal. Rather just take the bus at that point. I still got a Tesla, so whatever. Still rocking it. Got a Model Y. Your mom had a Montana when you were 12. My mom had a Dodge Caravan. I think it was purple. Purple Dodge Caravan, buddy. It was sweet. Had sliding doors, automatic sliding door. As you know, there's manual sliding doors. I remember when my buddy showed up with his mom's van, it had like automatic sliding doors. I'm like, holy moly, buddy. Some high level stuff. Yeah, but sad days, bro. Sad days. Losing live accounts, losing my car. With the money I got from the car, might as well just go all in NASDAQ with it. Got a cool like 88 grand or something, 89 grand. Throw that into the market, double it. Diego, you know what I really wanted, man? Was this like old school, like uh, low riders, man, with the Daytons, the hydraulics. I used to love those cars when I was a teenager. People selling lowriders in Canada, they're like pretty expensive. You probably get a better deal in California. Like a 6'4" Impala with hydraulics and some Daytons. That'd be sick. Diego, find me a lowrider in California. I'll come visit you and buy the car, drive it back to Canada. But they're getting rare and rare. Oh, this one's like 60 grand US. Oh, God. Yeah, after that. Thought lowriders would be a little bit cheaper in California. They ain't. I know the Mexican homies love those. I don't know if they still do, but back in the day, man, in the 90s. All my Cholo homies, you know, they used to have the sweetest lowriders, man. Might need a trailer. Yeah. I'll probably break down a couple times on the way back. Let's see, how long of a drive is it? To. Let's see how long it would take me to go to Los Angeles from where I live. 2,000 kilometers? Holy shit. It's a 20-hour drive. That'll probably take me like 5-6 days. Yeah, Diego, you don't see them too much. I just looked at a couple right now, just real quick. They ain't cheap either. Oh yeah, Cutlass Supreme, man. This thing would be sick. Look at that, buddy. Not sure if there's hydraulics on it. Looks like it has airbags or something. That'd be pretty dope. (1961) Plymouth. Dang, this thing looks sick too. The Corvette, man. The Corvette's fun. I mean, it's a nice car. Turns heads, especially the color. I had the blue. Anywhere I'd go into a parking lot or something, there'd be people, can I take pictures with your car? I'm like, go ahead, man. Free country. Kids liked it. Kids loved it. Not my kids necessarily, but like sometimes I go to pick up my kids from school. Other kids would love it. Maybe I shouldn't even look at cars right now. I'm gonna make an impulse buy and probably regret it. Let's stay away from cars for the moment here. Just gonna reset here. Give me a couple minutes. Well, it's only Diego here. I know Diego's the homie. Because I'm a super nice guy. I'm not that nice. Not that nice at all. Some people call me a hole. But yeah, I ain't gonna miss it. Not really a car guy, anyways. More of a stock guy. Alright, give me a minute. I'm gonna do some reps. All right, looks like shorts are the play right now. If it makes you smile, it's not a financial mistake. Blowing my account is a financial mistake. That's for sure. Oh, we got the 50, 20, and 9-day EMAs all coming down pretty strongly. Let's see if we can break 344 here. Maybe we can test the support area at 300 or 289. That'd be like a 100-point move from here. That'd be nice. Oh, NVIDIA. Here we got some headlines here. NVIDIA CEO, I believe employees should be compensated as much as possible. Pay them as much as I can. Sure, buddy. NVIDIA CEO, firm to use off-the-shelf ARM technology whenever possible, avoiding custom CPU cores. ARM, eh? No wonder ARM went up 15% today. Crazy. Maybe ARM's the next play. I don't hold any ARM currently. Okay, here we go. We're getting a little breakdown. And Iran suspends negotiations with the U.S. over Israeli attacks on Lebanon. All right, we bounced off 338. No reason to bounce there. Quick look at the Bookmap. Got like 50 contracts at 30,275. I'm going to keep this short open. Maybe get a nice push down here. Targeting like 289 area. That's about 60 points from here. Not too crazy of an ask. But yeah, SC, NVIDIA and ARM, huh? Missed that ARM move. 15% today. Stock's not that cheap either. $408 a share. Maybe I'll add 1 or 2 shares tomorrow. I shorted Snowflake a couple days ago. I had to get out of that. That keeps pumping. Well, it says 3 people are watching. Come into the chat. Say what's up. Let's talk about life and politics. Stocks and futures. Me and Diego were talking about cars. We can still talk about cars. Well, we got a couple wicks. Buyers are getting rejected. We're already down like 0.75% on the session for NQ. That's pretty big. 225 points or so. Here we go. Let's see a push down to 289s. Or at least 300s. I'd probably put like a profit, like a take profit right there. 1 micro, make $130. It's not bad. Oh, that's my practice account anyways. It doesn't even matter. Oh man, I just cut my finger. What the? That's weird. Alright, anyways. I believe employees should be compensated as much as possible. Who decides what's possible? Because NVIDIA's making some pretty good money. Alright, we're pushing down. Too bad I didn't take this in my combine. Would have been like 20, 30 contracts in there. All right. Let's give this a chance to move up a bit. I want to see it like come up. There's no real, maybe up to like 350, 360 area. If not like the 400s and short there. That's going to be the play. I'm going to put a limit sell. Time for some reps, baby. Oh, we keep going down over here. Not giving me a chance to get in. Looks like it's going to 300. Let's just get in a short here. So if we get the momentum down. Okay, we're gonna have dinner. All right, brother. Yeah, I can't pass it today. It's like a 50% rule. I've only started this combine, I think, last week. Yeah, to yesterday. But all right, Diego. Soldier on, baby. Hopefully you come back. We'll see how long I stay on today. But I always appreciate you coming by, bro. Otherwise, I'd be just talking to myself. APT Aptiv, I don't even know what that is, announces expanded collaboration with NVIDIA. Who's Aptiv? Producer manufacturing electrical products. Oh, maybe this is a stock to look at tomorrow. APTV. Ticker APTV. Only $68 a share. Might buy some shares tomorrow. Might be a decent hold. If they're making deals with NVIDIA. Anyone making deals with NVIDIA is. Oh, who's this? Tencent advances launch of AI agent for WeChat. 1.48 billion Chinese users. So like everyone in China is using it. Ah, now we gotta move up. Now it's gonna go to the 50, isn't it? Okay, we'll keep adding to the short. Give it a couple more minutes. See how high it goes. Kids all mad because I told them they can't play anymore. New person moved into the neighborhood. They got like 3-4 kids. They're already like best friends with my kids. Now they just play all over the place for freaking hours and hours. Well, almost got up to the 50-day. This is about where I wanted to add. I don't know if I'm going to add right now. Amazon replies to Australia's ACCC probe. Let's see if the 9-day starts bending down, or if we try to start making a move out to VWAP, we'll probably get out of this short. Already down $30. That sucks. Let's see if anyone else is streaming right now. Market Butcher's probably on. No, he's not. Day trading with Matt. This guy just always giving away stuff, man. He's killing it. All right. Dang. I don't like this push here. I was going to get out. Was going to add up here. 350s. Let's see if we get higher. Okay. Oh, Mike Schwartz is on. Nice. He's a nice guy. Not bad.
Where's dinner?
Did you guys already? Alrighty. All right, let's see if we go up to the view up here. Or do we just reject here? Who knows? Well, little bit of a pullback.
What's for dinner? She sent us home because it was time for dinner.
Huh?
What's for dinner?
Oh, dude, All right, reps in. Oh man, I had my stuff on mute this whole. Oh god. Had the volume thing down. My bad. Anyways, Lone Wolf, appreciate you, brother. Oh, you're still here? Sweet. Yeah, it was unmuted, but I had the volume rocker down. Down 115 bucks. Lone Wolf, you in any trades, bro? Give me some trading advice. I'm gonna short it. I'm trying to make $1. Let's get $1. $1 at a time. Lone Wolf, no, you're not in any trade, but you had a couple negative days. Well, I lost 2 XFAs last week. That's always fun. So I got no XFAs. Now I'm just trying to do a combine. Trying to get back into the game. Come on. All right, we're getting out of that. He's trying to fake me out. Lone Wolf's back to his personal accounts. That's the only thing saving me right now. The personal accounts are doing good, but I don't do any day trading on that. That's just adding to dips for long terms. I was hoping the market would dump a lot more, so I can start adding to long terms. I've been selling for the last like 2 weeks. Well, Lone Wolf, I sold my car today, man. Needed some cash. I'm liquidating everything now. Blew my funded accounts. Started selling my car. But I got a nice check for that, so going all in Bitcoin, baby. Lone Wolf, you're thinking of shorting MES? Thinking of shorts, eh? I am too, but I'm kind of getting screwed over here with shorts. Might short at VWAP, we'll see. Well, since 3-4 people are watching, coming to the chat. Join Lone Wolf and me. The Wolfinator. Let's see who else is streaming right now. Omnis Trades. I don't think I've watched these guys. Actually, I think I have. Oh, only 2 people watching now. Great. That's probably just me and Lone Wolf. Russia. Liski oil refinery in Krasnodar region hit by fire after drone strike. Oh god. The future of war. Drones. Take out the drones with microwave warfare. Would microwaves take down drones? I don't even know. They just drop like flies. I don't think it's that easy. I've seen anti-drone technology. They're using like nets or something. Or other drones that just like collide with them. But yeah, crazy world, man. Drones. Nets don't stop them. They're too big and heavy. Can't we all just get along? Okay, we might make a push up here. Let's see if we get this push up to view up. I'm gonna add a couple here. Let's take profit only halfway to a view up. Let's see. Just under 400. Come on. Give me a trade here. Come on, NASDAQ. Make a push. Come on, oil. Dump it. Oil dump. NASDAQ go up. Let's see. Come on. Or is this going to be another loss? 7 micros in right now. Want to see a quick move. If I don't get it, I might have to just cancel this. Or flatten it. Lone Wolf drones are awesome, though. Like personal drones. I got like a DJI something, one of those small ones. I don't use it too much, but like when I do, it's pretty fun. It's like being a kid again. Playing with RC toys. Oh, look at that. Makes a wick. Like, come on. Brutal. I want to see this 9-day just come up here above my entry with the 50-day following. Let's just put out a sell order here. See if it just takes it. Get an idea. If there's actually true buyers here, or the stops getting hit, or what's going on here. Let's take a quick look at the order book. Oh, order book's empty. There's no big orders anywhere. Lone Wolf's got some study books. Wants to try and get the Part 107 for flying drones. Oh, like a license to fly drones? Oh, interesting. I got the one that's like 500 grams or less or whatever. Forgot the name of it. What the heck's the name of DJI? It's not the Mavic. It's completely forgot the name of it. It's like the one that like you don't need a license to drive. The DJI Mini. That's what I got. DJI Mini. All right, we got lower highs. Is this what this one is gonna do to me now? Come on, lower high. Now we're gonna dip down here and get like a lower low. Jeez, don't do this to me. Got a new hourly candle right now. Let's just take a quick look at the hourly. Oh, some thin candles, not much volume. Still got a chance. Still got a chance. We'll give it some time here. Oh, you want to sell footage? Interesting. I'll buy your footage, Lone Wolf. Yeah, I just use my drone for like I barely use it. A couple times a year. Usually during Easter we have an Easter egg hunt in the back with all the kids' friends and cousins and stuff. I'll have it up in the air. Looks like little ants running around looking for eggs. But there's so many restrictions on drones nowadays, you can't even take them anywhere. Come on, make a push. You're short 2 MES? Alright. You're reversing me. You're doing good. Oh, look at that engulfing. Ouch. No, it says 6 people are watching. Come into the chat, guys. Stop being so shy. Say hi. Just say hi. That's keeps me going. Okay, I think I have to get out of this trade now. This is annoying. It's like 4 bad trades in a row. Like, come on. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, we're out of that. Down $200 on a combine. Blew my XFAs last week. Time for some reps. Still below VWAP. Alright, time to do some reps. I'll be back. Nice trade, Lone Wolf. Let's go, buddy. Great trade. 20 points you get on that. That would have been a nice 40-point trade. Dang. So, Lone Wolf, you're out of your short. Are you in a long now, or what? Reversing that position? I was shorting it right here. Then I pumped. Started longing. And then it goes back down. Hate when that happens. Luckily, I'm only down 200 for now. But yeah, what a push down here. Brutal. Looks like we keep going down here. What do we do here, Lone Wolf? What are you gonna do? Gonna long or what? Or just keep shorting? We are down 0.75% on the NQ. Maybe get a 2-point move to the downside. Recover during New York session. And then reverse again midday. Well, if you're watching, come into the chat. We can chat about anything, guys. There's not many people here. We can make this a cozy little situation, you know? No new headlines. We got some earnings, I think, this week. Well, Broadcom has earnings on... What would the third be? Wednesday. Lone Wolf's got a large spoonful of extra crunchy peanut butter. Oh, nice. So you got a bunch of nuts in your mouth. Keep that to yourself, buddy. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, peanut butter's great. I made sure my kids started eating peanut butter when they were younger. They don't have any of that peanut butter allergies like couple of the kids in their class do and stuff. They can't even bring peanut butter stuff to their for their lunch because they're kids with allergies. When I was growing up, like peanut butter allergy wasn't even a thing. I don't even know when that started. Like no one had allergies. No one even talked about allergies. You just dealt with it like with Claritin or whatever. But yeah, that's strange, man. Peanut butter allergies. My dogs used to eat peanut butter. Both of them. They loved it. That was one of their favorite foods. When the rare time they needed like medicine or something, like a peanut butter sandwich was my go-to. To be fair, my Rottweiler liked beer too. So. My dad used to always give him like a bowl full of beer every couple of days. Oh, we got a little rejection here. Let's see if it follows through or what here. I mean, we got a rounding top on this 1 minute chart. Just don't give them peanut butter that has the one ingredient that's deadly for dogs. Chocolate? I don't even think that's real, man. My Rottweiler would eat anything. He'd get up on the counter. I'm pretty sure he's eating chocolate and everything. Both my dogs lived up to 15 years. We gave him everything. My Pitbull loved apples. That was like one of his go-to foods. I have like a video of him eating apple like a human. He's like taking bites like around the core. With peanut butter, my dogs loved it. I never looked into the ingredients. It was just like the Jiffy or whatever. Not the Jiffy. What's the one called? Man, I completely forgot the name of the peanut butter. I still buy it today. I forgot. Make sure it doesn't have xylitol. Okay, I don't even know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Man, I completely forgot the peanut butter brand that I use. Let's see if we get a nice push down here. You get Skippy and Jif. Yeah, I think it was like one of those brands. I gotta go to my pantry and find out exactly which one it is. But yeah, my dogs ate everything, man. Whatever I ate, they ate. But everyone could do whatever they believe is right for their kids and dogs. Xylitol is a sugar substitute used in some peanut butters. Interesting. Well, now I think I gotta. Well, I don't have dogs anymore, so whatever now. And I don't plan on getting any. My hand's full with kids, anyways. Oh, come on. Don't tell me it's going to be a double bottom here. All right, I think I just bought the or short of the bottom. Great. Dogs metabolize the xylitol differently, causing a rapid release in insulin that can lead to life-threatening hypoglycemia, low blood sugar within 10 to 16 minutes of oh my god, can't even say that, ingestion. That was indigestion. No, I don't have to worry about that lone wolf anymore. Kind of sad about it because I loved having dogs. But I'm kind of relieved about it too because there's like less pressure, less responsibility. You gotta make sure you take them for walks, like a couple walks every day, especially if it's like an indoor dog. You gotta make sure they get their food. But that's the thing with me. I got a soft heart. The dog gives me those puppy eyes, and it's like, all right, man. They're looking at you eating. It's like, all right, here you go. Have a bite. It's mostly commonly found in sugar-free, low-calorie, or artificially sweetened peanut butters. Yeah, I never get any of those, buddy. I never get low-calorie anything. Low fat, low whatever. Like, no, man, I want extra. Extra fat, extra sugar. Oh, I use Kraft peanut butter, man. That's probably the worst, right? Kraft peanut butter. I get like 2 big jugs of them from Costco. Kraft peanut butter. Man, it's Kraft? I hate Kraft. Lone Wolf. This is the peanut butter I'm using. Is that a bad choice or what? I don't trust Kraft. Actually, you know what? I use their ketchup, so I mean, they got me hooked. Actually, I don't use Kraft ketchup. It's Heinz ketchup, my bad. Oh, actually, Heinz and Kraft is one company, I believe. Lone Wolf, I'm in Canada. That's our one. And now that I'm looking at the ingredients, it doesn't look like the best ingredients, that's for sure. There's a bunch of, there's like rapeseed oil. What the heck is rapeseed oil? Those are some funky ingredients, eh? It's just so creamy and good, though. Select roasted peanuts, soybean oil, sugars, corn, maltodextrin sugar, hydrogenated. Oh my god. Hydrogenated, whatever. Vegetable oil, cottonseed oil, and rapeseed oil. Salt, mono, and diglycerides. Yeah, that don't seem too healthy, does it? Time to get some new peanut butter, I guess. That's no good. Feeding my kids poison, bro. It's brutal. I don't know. We got Whole Foods up here too, and they have like organic peanut butter and stuff like that. That stuff separates and Doesn't even taste good and whatever, man. Dude, I'm out. I've lost the last like 6-7 trades in a row. I think it's time for me to just stop. Luckily, I'm only down $250. If I kept adding, I would have been down way more. So maybe I gotta stop getting Kraft peanut butter, man. Dang it. I love that stuff. You're negative 4,500? Oh, sorry, $45? Ah, that's nothing, man. Pocket change. You know, you skip a meal, you make 4,500. Was almost negative 100 making my way back. And now I feel like a short again. I'm gonna short again. Maybe Lone Wolf, you should long. I'm shorting again. I added 3 micros. I'm gonna take $100 risk. Let's see. Time for some reps. It's not going well. All right. Ended up getting some dinner too. So I'm just gonna have it on mute so you don't hear my chewing. Hey, Lassifer. How you doing tonight? Making any trades? I'm just having dinner, so I have everything on mute. Lassifer, you're down 600. I'm down 360. Had a bad week last week. Lost my XFAs. So no XFAs. No bueno. NQ is a 200 contract order up at 370s. It's a pretty decent sized order. Number of people heard an overnight Russian air raid in Kiev on Kiev climbs to 51. Oh dang. Is war on again? Between Russia and the Ukraine? Man, I'm having some udon. Kind of spicy. But yeah, we got that 200 contract order. You short at 340s? I don't know if that's going to be the best play right now, but anything can happen. I mean, we're trending down. Trend is down. Sorry, I'm just chewing. I'm going to finish up my dinner here. I'll get right back at it. All right. And we got a nice W pattern. Got some resistance here at VWAP. Nothing's playing out for me right now. Down $360. Ouch. Let's take a look at the order book. Still got that huge order up there. Oh, they cut it a little bit. 169 contracts at 30,400. They moved it up. Maybe it's a bull trap. Clayton Morris. Clay. Oh, that scared the hell out of you. No, I want to have some dinner. But we do have the financial juice on the side for headlines. So it's always good to tune in if you want to see headlines coming in live. Well, sorry for scaring you, buddy. My bad. But I appreciate you coming by. Where you watching from? The Midwest. Nice. You in any trades right now? Clayton? Mr. Morris? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Man, I've had a bunch of negative trades in a row. Might be time to walk away. You're from Missouri. Oh, yeah. Missouri. Negative just now logging on and getting things pulled up. Are you just starting the trading day right now? Well, we're down 0.61%, making a move up. A little W pattern going on. Still below VWAP. Oil above 90. It's a poop shoot state. Oh. Missouri's a poop shoot state. Okay. So don't visit Missouri. Got it. So there's a couple people are watching. Come into the chat like Clay did. Clay's the man. You're 200 in drawdown after a bad reversal. Trying to make it back to break even. Yeah. Same. Down 360 on a combine. Lost my XFAs last week, so there's that. Do we consolidate here or keep making this move up? We had some volume come in a little while, a couple of minutes ago. 11 minutes ago. There's still 100. There's 168 orders at 30,400, which is pretty much VWAP. I'm looking at a short here, honestly. But with the 50-day coming up, this purple line could just like come down quick, wick, and keep going up. But I feel a bull trap coming too, so yeah, not reading the market good right now. Always missed the move. Maybe wait for some news. U.S. in discussions to increase nuclear weapons deployment in Europe. Oh, that's great. That sounds like a good idea. I've been waiting for this push up to VWAP for like the last hour. It's just slowly going up. Might not even get there. Just bull trap everyone just to dump it, get more liquidity. We pumped up into these 30,000s on news that like they're gonna fix the Iran situation. Now it looks like it's not, but the price is still holding, man. These markets are strong. Clay probably be slow until London. Maybe. I mean, it's not slow. Got a 70-point move from these bottoms. 70 down, 50 up, 50 down, 70 up. Get some alright moves. And we are down 0.63% for the day. Like 200 points. Well, if you're watching, I'd appreciate like a subscribe. Would be cool to get up to 200 subscribers. I'm gonna try long here. If this doesn't work out, might just log off. At this point, I'm just losing money for them. No reason. Clay subscribed. Thanks, bro. Wicked. Appreciate that. Well, next time I'm in Missouri, I'm definitely gonna go say hi to Clayton. Come on, get this push up. Give me something. Give me $40. Down 360. We could chat about other things other than stocks too. Just get a conversation going about anything. Talk about minivans, the weather, Mars, robots, the playoffs. I think there's a game tomorrow. Oh, Clayton likes minivans. Nice. Have I looked at gold? Not really. Oh, what's going on with gold? Oh man, gold's making a move. What a move. Nice. It's a decent move on gold. How high do we go though? Clayton, are you in a gold trade? What are you looking at? These highs up here? These highs up here? 45.80? That'd be a decent move. 418 ticks? That'd be a sick move. And we shot up, consolidated, got this wick down, pushed up pretty strong. I mean, it does look pretty bullish. Ain't gonna lie, we got some resistance up here. But after that, we got a little bit more resistance. There's definitely room to the upside. Ain't gonna lie. How long is it gonna take though? That's the question. Gonna pull back here. Let's see how deep it goes. Oh, come on. It's not even it doesn't even want to give me $40 up in here. Oh, that's horrible. For Bookmap, I just like to see where like the big orders are. If there's any. But other than that, I mean, it's just an order book. But there's definitely 169 contracts at 30,400, which is a decent size for this time of day for sure. Other than that, we got small orders like, 11 at 390, 7 contracts at 380, 19 contracts at 370. So not much there. Just at 400, are they going to take all that or not? That's the question. We're above VWAP, so that's something. No, actually, sorry. VWAP, yeah, that's where VWAP is. So it's interesting how these indicators line up with liquidity sometimes. I should probably just take this 25 bucks. Get a winning trade. Haven't had one in an hour. MNQ's getting to age of VWAP. Dutch April retail sales rise 3% year over year. Oh man, the Dutch be spending, huh? The Dutch got some money, some extra income. All right, we're still pushing up. Let's see how we react on the VWAP. We got the 50-day coming up, the 9-day coming up. Do we go to the moon or what? All-time highs, baby. Is this the bottom? It's a perfect W pattern, though. Just look at that. I've never seen such a perfect W. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, we're going above VWAP. A decent amount of orders being filled there. I don't think all else 168 got filled though. Seems like they pulled the orders. It's 30 at 406. That's taken out now. Well, that's pushing. Do we see 450 now? That's the next target. But no more big orders on the book. Is that it? Is that the push? Let's just take it. Just want to get a winning trade under the belt. Get a little confidence building. Let's see how far we can pull back. Maybe to the 9-day. Maybe back to VWAP. Let's see how it reacts. It's usually not a good time to get in at VWAP. Give it a couple minutes to consolidate. See what it wants to do. Clay hard reject there, yeah. That's even just a decent reject. Volume came in, pushed up a little bit more, and boom. See if it engulfs this whole green candle. Or just continue to the moon, baby. Only down 0.5% for the day. It's not too much of a retrace. I want to see like a couple of days in a row of like 3-4% down. Get under 30,000. Get down to the 28s. Give us a chance to get into some long terms. All right, time to do some reps. Alrighty. Still consolidating. Let's see if we just keep pumping up. Or is that it? Is that the move? Got about 100 contracts in between 410 and 450 now. So not much. More blasts reported in Kiev. The source is a witness. That's a good source. Is gold still pumping, man? Gold's trying to make a move up too, huh? Just throwing a micro. I'm going long because Clay's. Because of Clay, if we lose this, I'm blaming it on Clay. We'll never financially recover from this. From what, Clay? From this micro gold long? Well, the multi-trillion-dollar debt. No one even knows the actual number anymore. Oh yeah, we're getting close to 40 million in debt. Nice. That's some nice debt right there, man. 39 trillion. Interest on debt. $1 trillion. Beautiful. Let's go debt. Well, as soon as I get in, it just stalls. Great. Well, we're in gold now, so I'm going to keep this chart up. Nice green candle on NQ here. There's a couple of contracts at 410 they might want to take. 36 contracts. Dang. Come on, let's get this push. Push, gold, push. There you go. That's a nice push. What's MNQ doing? Nothing. Come on, gold. Clay called it out. Kept saying, look at gold. Be nice if I got in over here. Let's see if this continues. NQ's trying. It is. It's trying. Not much volume. Well, technically, volume's increasing if you think about it. Gold's pulling back. I'm getting played, man. I'm getting played. Lone Wolf, MES is doing nothing. Clayton, take them profits. Is that it? That's all you're seeing for this move? Let's put a stop loss at break even. Probably get taken out. Might just call it if I get stopped out. Get an early start tomorrow for New York session open. Opens are always fun. All right, I'm gonna give this like a couple minutes. Let it roll. Alrighty here. Oh, we're still pushing up. That's not bad. Yeah, let's take profit here. Half a yay, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. How you doing? Why is NQ moving up? It's oh. I don't see Nvidia. Well, there is some news. Jensen intends to return over half of free cash flow to shareholders this year. Boom. Nvidia huge stock buyback, I guess. So expect Nvidia to pump when market opens, that's for sure. That's pretty big news. Over half of its free cash flow to shareholders. How much free cash flow does Nvidia have? As of April, they have 120 billion. So maybe a $50 billion stock buyback, or a $50 billion dividend. I mean, for the size of Nvidia, it's not that much, but I mean, that will definitely pump Nvidia tomorrow. That's the news. On NQ, it's pretty dead. There's no big orders anywhere. It's like 20 at 440, 30 at like 450. There's more orders to the upside, a little bit. A little bit more orders to the upside. No, it says as of April, Nvidia's free cash flow is 120 billion for the period ending April 26, 2026. So that was like 2 months ago. Well, that was a decent push up, that's for sure. Nvidia be moving markets all the time. Gold back at the 9-day here. See if it bounces off of it. Down 256 for the day. Here we go. Nvidia, or sorry, MNQ is trying to make a move. Hey. Alright, let's see if we can get a little push. Happy, no, I didn't stream Monday New York session. I was busy doing a bunch of other things. I sold my car. Had to meet up with that guy. Do the transfer stuff. That took away a couple hours in the morning for me. But I did make $3,000 on the session for the day on my combine. Lost my funded account last week. That always stings. See if oil can make a new low here below 91.18. Get a nice push up on NQ. That'd be great. Happy, are you in any trades? Making any money today or tonight? Oh, come on. Don't reverse on me. Gold looks like it still wants to go up. It's been some long gold and NQ right now. Or MNQ technically. Ouch. Half you made 250 in New York and 100 in Asia? Yeah, let's go, buddy. Saving my funded to fund more evals. Nice. Let's go. Remember to take out some payouts to pay for those evals. But good job, buddy. It's great. Come on, pump it, man. Give me a break here. Ugly wick there on gold. Let's see if we can just keep rallying. Come on. Got the 9-day curling down now. Happy took out his first ever payout of $750. Nice. Beautiful, buddy. It's amazing. Good job. Keep it up. Come on. Give me a pump here. Getting close to the top of the hour. Getting a new hourly candle. Happy, what's my story for payouts? I usually leave more on the table, but took out 1,000, 15. I think I took out 4,000 this year so far. Last year I took out about just over 10. But I've definitely left way more on the table than I took out. Alright, we're still going up. Happy, I trade every day, man. I trade every day. I'm killing it on the long terms. I'm up like 50, 60 grand on long terms this year. Taking profit on a bunch of it. Hoping for like a nice deep pullback in the markets to start adding more. I'm feeling kind of tired. I think I'm just gonna call it. I'll leave the charts and the Flint financial juice up for a bit. But Happy, thanks for stopping by, buddy. Angie, hey, bro. Thanks for coming in. I was about to just call it, but now you came in. I God. How's your trading going, Angie? Happy, yeah. Catch up tomorrow for sure. Hopefully you stop by. Hopefully I'll be able to stream the New York session. Yeah, I'm gonna flatten all. 7 more subs to reach 200. Oh, really? Oh, nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's go. Yeah, Angie. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, no, that's what I was talking about too. Subscribers. Subs. Super Micro boosts rack scale AI leadership with AMD Helios. Now we're getting all this positive chip news. Wouldn't be surprised if we just keep pumping tonight. We're down about half of like 0.42%. I'm really tempted to like leave on a long overnight. Pulled up pretty quick. We're up 133 points. Like a 50-point pullback. Down to the 400s wouldn't be a bad ad for a long, maybe. Angie, I don't think I'm going to get it today because I'm going to cut it short. Feeling kind of tired. I just keep yawning and yawning. Body's telling me to like go to bed, bro. Angie, what do you think? It's shorts or longs? All right, give me a minute. All right, bye guys. I'm out. See you guys in the morning.